Okay, nice. So gas tank's back in. I'm gonna wait for the filler neck here because I still need to get some RTV from the parts store so I can put that on there so it doesn't leak. I can pull these doors out and get cracking on these things. Alright, paint is going on the second door. No imperfections at all. This door that we shot earlier is now on the car again. Sweet. I'll open it with this door handle, and as you can see, now it's paint matched with the interior. It's definitely like a little bit lighter, but yeah, this thing's definitely coming together. Okay, so day 2 now. Sitting the same as it was yesterday. Door's still on it. Gotta put this one on. This was just wet, but all dry now. So I think the goal for the day, I just want to go ahead and put pretty much just the rest of the car back together. Okay, so got the kit down. Everything's pretty dirty. Had it up there for like a year. It's just a Duraflex kit for the front bumper and skirts and rear. But yeah, let's go ahead and start throwing this thing together. Okay, so both sides, skirts and the quarter panels are on now. We get to focus on the rear bumper. This thing fits not good at all, so definitely have tried to mount this because there's some really clapped out holes that are drilled in this thing. So I guess we'll see if I got it mounted well, or because I don't have a clue. Okay, so I got some Clecos on this side. Also, this side, I eventually want to get a bash bar or make a bash bar. For now, what I think I'm going to do, there's these little tabs right here. The camera died on me, so I wasn't able to film all of this, but you did see me tacking on those little pieces of metal. If you can see that there, that just kind of supports it. Everything's pretty sturdy. The gap going all the way across is pretty level, so I'm happy with that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the car on the ground now, just to kind of look at it. The car is on the ground now. It's looking pretty sweet. Definitely got to get some spacers for the rear. Front fitment wise, maybe drop it an inch. Probably not going to do much more today, but yeah, let's go ahead and throw this hood on, clean it up, and yeah. Whoa, dude. That was a cute trick. Yeah, so I cleaned it up a little bit. Hood's on, looking pretty cool. Definitely need to try to get this thing a little bit lower, but other than that, it's looking pretty good. Definitely excited to get some paint on this thing. Drop it down in the comments what color you think I should paint it. Probably not going to listen to you, but you know, wouldn't mind other people's opinions. But yeah, that's probably going to do it for today's video.